Well,
And
you teach value stream consulting, Joshua. Would you?
yeah, I agree. And so one of the things that we might find with like one of the techniques is identifying impedance factors for our value stream. And what are some of the things that are causing resistance? And a value stream consultant can be working with a discipline agile coach in an example like this, where we're seeing that as we're working in our development value stream, and I'll use this because it's one of the more common ones, and we're not seeing that we've got really good generalized specialists, meaning that we're not able to see that people are kind of making that mind shift change to saying, well, I can help with that versus that's not my job, right? I like to use this one a lot. And so some of that might mean that the way that our team members are being evaluated and incentivized is that they're not going to cross over to taking on some tasks that are outside of, I'm a developer and these are the types of things that I need to keep working on because I'm evaluated on how much code I write or the product that I'm configuring. So discipline agile coach might be working with HR, right? Working with people management because we might need to change some of the job recs. Again, outside of maybe some of the union shops, right? Which might need to be creating new recs. And I'm sure you're going to touch on that as well,
Yeah,
Mark.
I'll tell you a story about that when I get a chance. Yeah.
Yeah. So the value stream consultant might be identifying through making improvements to the value stream some of the things that they're going to need to help some additional support with. And that's where, from a coaching perspective, like we've got some challenges, again, that a coach needs to possibly step in and help alleviate, as well as possibly removing impediments in the organization. The other thing that I'll say is one of the more significant things from a DA value stream consultant perspective, or value stream management, right? Improving value stream is where we're making better investment decisions because we're using the next minimum business increment. What's the smallest thing we can do to add value? And how can we identify all the things that are going to be required? Like in your example at Papa John's, from the time that a customer puts in an order for their pizza to the time the pizza gets delivered. How can we identify the total impact across development value stream, operational value stream, anything else, as well as potentially how we're going to manage multiple teams supporting the multiple products that customer is touching. And that is, again, a very unique aspect of how the value stream consultant is able to bring a lot of improvements, potential improvements, until we see that they're actually working in the organization. But those are some of the bigger differences, I would say, in between the two designations. And it could be the same person. We're saying in the value stream consultant courses and people that are signing up that they are CDACs, right? The predecessor to the discipline agile coach, the certified discipline agile coach. So you've got people that have this breadth of experience, in not just breadth of experience in an organization, it's breadth of experience in multiple organizations to have what's needed to really to come in and help make that type of progress. Again, that's why PMOs can get value from at least exploring people that have these designations and the experience that's required to get them.